So good evening, my dear students. So let's start our today's session. Yesterday we have discussed the fundamentals of data structure. That how what is data structure, what is the definition of data structure, why it is required in a programming language, then different types of data structure, and the fundamentals related to stack. So today we'll see how can we implement the stack in Python. By the help of Python programming language, how we can implement the stack. So let's go to our class. Let's start our class. So implementing stack in Python. Implementing stack in Python. Okay. So how we can implement the stack by using the Python programming language. So let's see. In Python, we can use the list to implement the stack. So the first important thing in the Python programming language, by the help of lists. So I think everyone know about list in class 11. The list chapter is discussed. Okay, list, tuples, dictionary. So that list. So in Python, by the help of the list, we can use or to implement the stack. We have to implement in Python by the help of list. We can implement the stack. Okay. So how? So Python offers us a convenient set of method. Okay. So the Python offer us a convenient set of methods to implement the stack in Python. Set of methods given by Python. So what are the set of methods? For various stack operation, Python has given three methods. Let's go one by one. First one is your pick. So in the pick, we can use stack of top like this. Stack, okay, of top. This is the list you can see. Where the stack is a list, where the stack is a list, okay. Top is an integer having value equal to top. What is top? It is an integer. Top, it is an integer having the value equal to length of len method stack of -1. Whatever the length of the stack, from the length -1. It is the length of the top. So it is one integer. This is one list. Stack is one list. Top it is one integer. Clear everyone? The first method given by the Python. So let's go to the second method. So I am erasing the first part. Then we will see the second one. Second one. Push. Okay. Stack dot append. Okay. Then in the bracket item. Remember it. Stack dot append in the bracket item. Where item is being pushed in the stack. So stack is a list where item is being pushed. Second method, I think you have clear. First method is pick. Second method is push. Let's go by the third method. Let's yes, yes, pick. Okay. Then let's go by the third method. Is the third method pop. So we can use stack, okay, dot pop. So it removes the last value from the stack and return it. It removes the last value from the stack and return it. So I think everyone clear now. So we have three functions in the pick function where the stack is the list and top is an integer having value whatever the length of the stack minus 1. Then push where the item is being pushed. Stack that append. Append means will give one item to the or push insert one item to the stack. Pop means remove. So by the help of these three methods, we can implement the stack by using the Python programming language. So how we'll do that? Let's see now. Programming. Now we'll see the programming for implementation. Programming for implementation. So first we'll create, okay, by the help of the function. By the help of the function, we can do the implementation by Python program. So I think everyone know the function. What is a function and what is the use of the function? Okay. So let's go. First, we'll use a function. Suppose, okay, yes, clearing this one. Suppose now I, you know that a function having two part. One is the function part, second one is the main program part. So first we'll do the function part. Suppose the stack is empty. So we use is empty function. Suppose one is empty. In the parameter we will pass stack. colon. Okay, if stack equal to nothing, okay, empty, then returns true. Okay, else return false. Those concept already we have read in the program. Same concept we'll use. Just first we use a function that is empty. Okay, I have written the e in the upper, that is not e, you will be here in the same place. Okay, is empty. In the parameter we pass one stack. So if the stack is equal to empty, then returns true, else return false. Okay, then the second function will use push. Okay, then stack item, two parameter, one is stack, one is item. So here semicolon. Okay, in the outside you will give semicolon. Then stack dot append item. Already we read this method to insert some item in the stack. Everyone know that by using the append method we can insert some. Then top, we'll check the top always. If the top always length of stack minus 1 always. Okay, then we'll do the pop operation. Definition pop stack. Okay, if it is empty, if the stack is empty, we'll use is empty function here. Already we have used in the beginning stack. Okay, then return what? Already we have known that underflow. If the stack is empty and we are pop it, then it should be underflow operation. Else, item equal to stack of pop. Okay. Else, if there is no element, then it will be underflow. If there is some element is there, then what we'll do, we do the pop operation, up to which, if the length of the stack equal to 0, then top equal to what? None. If there is nothing, then top equal to none. Else, colon, top equal to length of stack minus 1. Top equal to length of stack minus length of stack minus 1. Okay, return the item, whatever the item, return that in the, so it is push operation. Now this is this part push operation finished, this part pop operation finished. It is the is empty operation. Then which operation is left? Pick. Okay, so I am erasing the is empty part now. Everyone look at that. Okay, now I am erasing the is empty part. Here I will write the pick part. Okay, so let's see the pick part. peak of stack. Okay. So in the peak operation, what we'll do, we'll inspect it. If the stack is empty again, then it will return what? You can see underflow. Yes or no? If there is no element, then what it will return? Underflow or not? Clear? Return underflow. If there is some element is there else, top equal to length of stack, okay, minus 1. Clear? Then return the stack of top. Return the stack of top. So first in the peak element, you have take one parameter. If it is empty, then return underflow. Else top of what is the top? What is the length of the stack? Minus 1. Because if we delete this one, then it will be empty. Then return the stack top. Whatever is present on the stack top, return that. Clear? Now we will use another element or sorry method that is called display method, because this all the operation is going inside the stack. There is nothing to display. In the display, we'll write all the things and it will be helpful for displaying all the things. Okay, so let's see. I'm erasing this one. Push one I am erasing. Okay, push pop both I am erasing. Okay, clear. Now come to display. Display operation. Display in the bracket stack. Okay, so if it is empty, print stack is empty. If is empty, stack, then what it will be return? Print. Now it will be print stack is empty or stack empty. Okay, then else top equal to length of stack minus 1. Length of stack minus 1. Print. What it will be print? Stack of top. And okay, stack of top. It will print. Then for a in range loop, counting loop. So what it will be count? Top minus 1. Starting from top, it will be stack top minus 1. Then again minus 1 and end in the minus 1, and each time it will be decrement by 1 minus 1. That means backward. Starting from top minus 1. Whatever the top is there, minus 1. Okay. Then end with minus 1, and every time it will be back to minus 1. Then print stack of A. Print stack of A. Okay. So this is all the function part. So how many function we use? One is empty function. Second one is your push function. Third one is your pop function. Fourth one is your pick function. Fifth one is your display function. Okay. These are the all the function we use to implement it. How you can run it by the Python program. Then we see the main program part where the main program it will write and it will be reused in the function. So let's see the main program part. Main program part. So in the main program part, we'll first initialize the stack is empty. There is nothing. It is empty stack. Okay. So top is none. There is nothing means top is refers to none. Then while it is true, while this thing is true, then what we'll do? Print the stack operation, all the operation. What we will do? So what are the operation we'll do, students? Tell me. What are the operation we'll do in the stack? So first one is your push one, comma push operation. Second one, okay, pop operation according to our function. Third one, pick operation. Fourth one, display stack. Okay, then fifth one, exit. Okay, then we'll take one character, int input, enter your choice. Enter your choice from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5, enter your choice. So first, what we'll do? Push the stack item. Okay, sorry. So how will push based on the character. So up to this, I think you understood. Now we'll use the if else. If the ch equal to 1, because we have taken 1 here, then we have to use the push. Okay. If ch equal to 2, then we have to use the pop operation. If ch equal to 3, then what? Pick. If ch equal to 4, display. If ch equal to 5, exit, break. Okay. Then if any other choice like 6, 7, that is invalid choice. So based on that, your program will be ended. Okay. So in the next class, I will show you the program and means I will run that program in the Python and I will show you. This is the general means how we can do this program by the help of some methods or functions. Okay. By the help of isEmpty function, push function, pop function, pick function, display function, we can do that. Okay. The next class I will show you the program and run it and show you the output. Then we'll see some application of stack. Okay. Let's go for the application of stack. I think everyone understands this programming, how we can implement this program through the help of the list. This is a very important program. Directly, this program can ask you in the exam also, or indirectly they will give some list of items, and they will told you to implement it in the stack. That is also one question, important question for you. So let's go for the application of stack. Application of stack. So where we use the stack, where it is really needed. Okay. So there are several application of stack. The stack are basically applied where the LIFO sequence is there. Yes or no? Because stack follows with sequence. Everyone knows that LIFO sequence. Stack follows LIFO sequence. So here you will apply which application or which program follow this one. So first application is your reversing a line. Okay, when you write any line, then if you reverse it, last in first out, yes or no? A simple example of stack application is the reversal of a given line. How we can accomplish this task by pushing each character onto the onto a stack. So suppose I write any character. Okay, as it read. When the line is finished, character are then again what? Pop to the stack, and it will come in the reverse order as shown in the figure. So how it will be? Let's see. Suppose I am telling you push S in empty stack. Suppose they have taken one empty stack there, but they will push S. Clear? Then push T. Push T. Clear? Then push A. S T A. Okay. Push C. S T A. Then C. Then push K. S T A C K. Okay. Then pop K. Now pop K. So now K will be removed or not? Then pop C. So C will be removed or not? Pop A. A will be removed or not? Pop T. So T will be removed or not? Okay. Pop S. Now S will be removed. So you can see in the reverse order it is coming or not. That is called reversing of line. First application. Okay. Then some other application of stack. It is the main application reversing of line. Then we'll see the other application of stacks. Let's see other application. What are the other application? So the compilers use stack to store the previous state of program when function is called during the recursion. In the recursion one process that is previously in your syllabus, but due to this situation, pandemic situation, they have deleted this one. Recursion means calling this function again in the loop, calling the function same time. Recursion. So when you call the function the previous state program, the previous state action is means stored where in the stack. Then one of the most important application of stack is backtracking. An algorithm is there. Okay, data structure backtracking. That means when it use the large number of puzzles, like you have seen the puzzle problem. In the puzzle problem, the backtracking will go to back and check all the where it will be. Okay, where the things should we will be fill it. So at that time we can use the stack to fill this puzzle. So these are the different application of but stack. Another important application of stack is polystring. Polystring. What are the polystring? What is that? It is called conversion of arithmetic expression in high-level programming languages. Conversion of arithmetic expression. Conversion of arithmetic expression in which language? In high-level programming language. Different programming language will apply it. Arithmetic expression. Suppose a plus b minus c into d. One arithmetic expression. So this simple type expression and large expression also we can convert it into a high level programming language but through the help of the stack. So how it is? Into machine readable form. In high level programming language into machine readable form. Okay. So it assumes that the arithmetic operation, because as your computer system can only understand and work on a binary language. Yes or no? You know that the computer system only understands the binary language. That's why we are converting this expression into the high level programming or into machine readable form. That's the read by the machine. Okay. It assumes that the arithmetic operation can take place into two operands only. Two operands. It assumed previously. We know that A plus B operator, the A and B operator, and the plus is the operand. Only means we can use two in two operator, only one operand. But in our usual form, an arithmetic expression may consist of more than one operator and two operand, like this. A plus B into C, D by J plus T, like this. Okay, more number of expression we can use. So how it will be converted? This complex arithmetic operation can be converted into polystring. This complex expression in it converted into polystring. Okay, by using which concept? Stack concept. By using the stack concept we can convert the large complex expression to polystring means it will be in a proper string. Okay, so polystring using stack which then can be executed into two operands and a operator form. Okay, so A and B is the operand, plus is the operator. In the previously I told this is the operator. No, sorry. A and B is the operand, plus is the operator. So in this form, by two operand and a operator form, we have to make it when they have given the big expression, large expression, and we have to convert it into two operand and one operator form by using the stack. That is called polystring. So polystring is named after a Polish mathematician, Jan Lukasiewicz. After this name, Jan Luka switch. SIEWICZ. After this name, the polish string has started, and it is used the stack concept to convert the large expression into this thing. So there are some operation are there like prefix notation, postfix notation, and infix notation. So we'll use this concept to convert this thing. Okay, that is called conversion of infix operation to postfix expression. Infix expression to postfix. So in the next class, we'll see the program first. We run the program and I'll show you the output. Then we go for the prefix notation, postfix notation, infix notation, and conversion of infix expression into postfix expression. So I think everyone clear about that what I read today. Okay, if there is any doubt in my class, then ask me in the comment box. I'll clear your doubt. Okay, so kindly watch my video, give the like, comment. Thank you everyone for this session. Have a nice day.